$392 back to you with another video. This is a very special video. Y'all can see the $392 in the bag. Like I said, we got content coming out. Y'all can see we are bagging the $392. I am bagging it. As you can see, Airlift Performance. Shout out my boy SS Euro on Instagram. Like I said, I am bagging the $392. Y'all see everything right here. Here's the compressors. The tank is right there. Saving all that for later. Like I said, we're just getting the bagging components and the suspension components in first. As you can see, that's the universal joint or universal airbags in the front. We got the universal airlift struts in the rear and the bags in the rear, and then the attachment plates and whatnot in the rear. Like I said, we're gonna get this installed. Y'all stay tuned for this. Depends how long it'll take me. Should take me, I'm gonna honestly do an hour or two a day just to take my time, anything I need to do. So I'll probably do 2 videos. One, me installing everything. 2, finishing everything up and showing you how it raises down, raises up. The alignment, hopefully I don't run into any issues, but like I said, I'm gauging myself. I'm giving myself some wiggle room. Might have to get an alignment, all that stuff. So we're gonna figure all that out. But like I said, y'all stay tuned for the video, and we're gonna get to installing everything. So we out. So as you guys can see, push y'all back a little bit. I got the sway bar link out. It goes through here. You need a jack. There's a jack right here. Do it a few times so the way the other side I put it in already, but you need to be able to counterbalance it, or give it some leverage. The way this could pull out. But now we're going to be focusing on this bolt right here. Hopefully you guys can see it. There you guys go, right there. So now you can drop it, your jack. Just show you. You won't be needing the jack again, but all you need is so you need the 19 right here, which that's still too big, but 19 will work. And then this is the 7/8 on this side. Oh no, it's still, actually you don't need anything on this side. So what I think you need is a 7/8. No, you go front right to it. So it is a 3/4 quarter-inch strut. I don't know if I got my drives messed up. Let's see. Let me use an extension so I can get leverage. Hurt. So that doesn't work. I had a wrench over there. So it is the wrench. Where is it? Oh, that's stripping. That's stripping. Oh, here's the wrench. 18. Knew I had it. So, right on there, snug. So you want to go left. Still think I'm turning the wrong way, but it's the angle I'm at. I also don't feel good right now, but still trying to get this car working, you know? Bam, once you take that off, that bolt will come right out. And get back to y'all when I'm done taking that out. Hey, what's going on, everybody? So let's first get into it. Hopefully y'all can see. You see? Okay, yep, that's it. So first off, we're gonna start out by taking, there's a bolt right here. This bolt, we're gonna start by taking that, and that is a 19 mil. 19 mil. So like you see, you know, you take that off. Once you take that off, you're gonna need something to hold this and the wishbone. And once you do that, I mean, that's just how we're gonna first start it. Put you guys back here. You see? Hoping I can see. But here is a bolt right here that we're gonna take out, and here's a bolt right here we're gonna take out. So once you take off this bolt up there with the, I think it's an 18, but I'm using a 19. Like I said, I got it. So you're going to use, this bolt for the, this is the sway arm link, whatever. This is going to be tightening it, loosen it. I don't have the impact tool, so actually I'm gonna need to loosen it the other way. And putting this back on is gonna be really, Dodge just came up, I mean, throughout their lines, but they came up with a mechanism so the way people don't steal the vehicle. I mean, they could take the parts off, but if you take them off, you know, you got to be able to put them back on. But I don't know if this is just the locking mechanism so the way people don't steal. I'm not sure. But basically, to take this off, you need a 10mm socket with the 1/4 inch drive. Whatever drive you want, use a 1/4 inch. Like I said, you need the, it's just a takeoff mechanism and a safety mechanism. All you do is you put this on or off, and you kind of just, I'm tightening it, I'm sorry. So, or you could do it with the wrench right here and just, it's gonna take forever, but kind of play with it. Like I said, you just play with it, and eventually it's gonna come out. But let me finish this, and then I'm gonna show y'all how to take out the bottom bolt down here, which is really easy, and then there's 3 bolts on the top and everything should come out, but I'll show step by step. So I got the bolt out, as you can see, right here. The bolt came out, 18 mil. Now we are going to get these bolts off right here. That is a 10 mil. And once you get that out, you can take this bolt out right here. And that is a 18 mil, and it'll come right out. So y'all stay tuned. So I took off the 3 top bolts. There's actually a 12 millimeter for those 3 upper whatever strut bolts. Yeah, let's see, it's loose. So now I'm going to take off this 18 mil nut. Take it off. Also, too, make sure you have a strap. I have a strap right here, so that way when I do hit it, we need a hammer to see how I caught it, so it doesn't damage the brake line. I'm able to push down, up. What's stuck on it? Let's see. There it goes. Push down. There it goes.
2 hours later.
My freaking camera got full, but you need a strap. 18 mil. This pulls out. Make sure you have a strap long enough so the way it doesn't put tension on the brake line, and you just drop it right out. So it's 3 bolts, or 3 major bolts. There's a bolt right there going into the side, right here. It's a bolt going into the side, the tie rod or the sway bar link, and 3 bolts up here. And basically, you can do whatever order fashion you want to do it in. Get a jack for support. You don't really need a jack. Have a strap so that way it can hold the wishbone, and that's pretty much it. So now we're gonna put this one in. As you can see, the Airlift airbag. So take these off. I'm not using these. Just the way on the top of it is, like from the indent of the old washers, and these nuts don't have like a washer attached to them. The other one do. So I'm just gonna use that. And it's the same way, it's just reverse of putting it in. So push that in there. Bam. Push down. Go over. So I'm gonna do reverse. I'm going to go up here. I'm going to put these in, and that's pretty much it. So I'm gonna do everything reverse, and once it's in, I'll let you guys see it.